Okay, today's December 13th, 2024. I'll be back testing a couple days worth of data, probably a week from Monday, August 28th to September 1st. So Monday we have no news. I'll be trading an inversion model that right now, in this backtesting session, I have about 8 months worth of data backtested and I have just under an 80% win rate. So doing super solid. So Monday, there's no news. Hop into the daily chart. Make sure I get previous day's high out. Oh, previous high already swept, so it's just going to be previous day's low. Mark out previous day's low here. Hop into the 4 hour. Make sure everything's nice and neat. 30 minutes will create that unfilled 4 there, that bullish unfilled 4. But right now we're trading inside a bullish 1 hour fair value gap. We can quick check what the sessions did. This is low. Okay, I want to be bullish. London swept Asian lows, sponsoring the move higher, so I want to see a London reversal, New York continuation. So I want to be bullish on the day. Definitely can see high of day. That's already the one already put in. I do not want to see the London lows here, so I want to mark them out here. We're trading inside a bullish 1 hour fair value gap here. Go to the 15 minutes. We still have a few imbalances between this leg and here, and we're almost at equilibrium, so I probably want to see market open just a little lower. Filling these imbalances that we have 2 of them, maybe just a little lower, at least just till equilibrium, and then therefore filling this unfilled 15 here. So hop into the 5. We're about to hit this unfilled 5 minutes. Unless it's equal highs here. So we can mark equal highs right now. And see what market open is going to give us here. So we're going to sweep those equal highs right off the bat. Just making sure there's not equal lows. I'm going to check for equal highs here. Not seeing anything. We have equal highs right at the top here. Can definitely see these equal highs and high of day. Yeah. I want to have a bullish continuation. A New York continuation. So I want to be bullish. So I want to see a nice setup forming so I can take it to equal highs and high of day. What's like the highest? It's just stacked 5 minutes. We have an unfilled 5 here. Maybe if this 5 minute gave like a good close, a little more premiumed, but still not too bad. I think we're just below discount here. Let's see. So this 5 minutes. Oh, okay. So both of these 5 minutes are gonna get inverted. I can't take this. So it'd be a 5 minute inversion to equal highs and high of day. 5 minute inversion here because it does close. Both of them do close, and with a lot of momentum. I can definitely see us just ripping. Again, way too premium. I'd have stops at least at this fair value gap below minimum. I'd rather have it at the swing low. So you would never want to take a along this premium because high of day, your stop at least a swing low, right? Just a crappy negative R trade. So we're just gonna let it run. See if we can get any retracement before taking out these highs and high of day. No retracement. Both of my, I believe, obvious targets in these legs have already been taken. I'll leave high of day actually, so I can see how we bounce, see how we react. So definitely, if this hourly gets closed, we can see this buy side liquidity level, high inside of a fair value gap, nice, good target. So easy condition, right? Hourly inverts definitely want to see higher, but definitely would want to see some retracement, any type of retracement here. Maybe we can catch a mechanical short lower. So keep playing the day. It's looking like maybe a no retracement day. It's still early to tell, but we definitely are pumping. So unfilled 5 lower, but we still have this gap is huge for another unfilled 5 to be made. So we're gonna make this unfilled 5 here super close to it. But swing low to swing high, and then there's equal. So no, not even inversion gap. We might just run right into the unfilled 5 before we do absolutely anything. So we're trading outside this unfilled 5. We're going to be bullish. We're going to reject this. Nice. Um, and yeah. Yeah. Again, we still have this more discounted unfilled 5. If I want along here, if we can pump a lot, we definitely need to pump more. But we're still, again, way, way, way too high to be taking any type of long. So no inversion setup. We already learned from that 5 minute, but again, we're still really high. There's no inversion setup regardless, so we'll keep playing the day. See if we can get any type of mechanical short going. This is an unfilled 15 here. Out. And it is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is really primed for reversals, right? 10 a.m. reversal. So we just have to see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can get something mechanical to rebalance price here. Still out of time. 10 a.m. It very much might be a no retracement day. Alright, so we have this unfilled 5. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, maybe a 2 minute here. And a 2 minute for sure. 2 minute inversion here. If it offers a good close, I'll take it to the unfilled 5 minute. I need like a good close where it's not closing right below the unfilled 5, but definitely a convincing one for sure. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. I'll take this short here, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. Market circuit shift is 10 a.m. Again, more prime for reversals, and this is strictly just a mechanical model short to these unfilled gaps here. So let's see. I'm gonna shoot for this unfilled 5, and I'm gonna shoot for equilibrium here on this leg, this 5 minute leg here. Equilibrium here. Again, you can just put it right at this unfilled 1 minute gap here. Should definitely at least offer a 1-to-1. We can see here. Equilibrium's just a little higher, but I definitely want stops at that swing high here. I know we have maybe another stacked unfilled 5. I know we have the unfilled 15 lower. So we can just shoot it just past equilibrium. Equilibrium is a little lower, but we can do it to where we're going to get this 1-to-1. So just below, literally just below equilibrium. I know I put it a little higher into this unfilled 1 minute, but we're looking for a 1-to-1 here. So I'm going to take a short position here. Again, risking 1%, risking 500 to get 500 here. Auto break even at this unfilled 5 minutes. 225, and we're gonna let this play. So we are break even at the unfilled 5 minute, and we are in again. Equilibrium is just below that leg, so a 1-to-1. We just need a little bit more. Perfect, beautiful. So mech model short, stop at the swing low, swing high, break even at the unfilled 5. If we get any type of bullish reaction there, then we'll be break even there. If we want to invert that, we'll like let's say this 1 minute and continue higher, then we're risk-free trade anyway. But unfilled 5 to at least equilibrium up the 5 minute leg here, which we hit just perfectly here. So that'll be the trade of the day. Just a mechanical model. Using the second way market moves, right, to fill imbalances here. Even though I still think, right, we have a lot of bullish structure here. Again, we can chase this unfilled 15 minute and just keep continuing higher. But we're gonna move on to Tuesday. Tuesday, we do have 10 a.m. news here. Skip to that. Skip one more. Here's 10 a.m. Previous day's low. We already did previous day's high. Let me make sure. Yes, it did as well. It did. So I'll hop onto the 4. Make everything look nice and neat. Do one more. Okay, so we're trading right? We have bearish PD rays getting disrespected. Now holding this 4-hour recently just got inverted. A 30 minutes will open up this unfilled bullish 4-hour, but I definitely want to see highs here, right? This internal high looks obvious. 10. Use this as just like a genuine target. Probably pull off the bat, right? This price that liquidity level. Go ahead into the hourly. That as well. So we do, again, we're trading inside at 1-hour bullish for value gap. We do have an unfilled 1-hour just beneath us. Hopefully market opens, it can manipulate it slower. I only say that because this isn't as a balanced leg. A lot of fair value gaps still unfilled there, right? 2 big stacked ones right on top. So we're gonna check the 15-minute trading inside of 15-minute unfilled 15. Actually, a 15-minute intermediate term low is here. So I'll quick mark that out. And then we should just be able to play the day. Let's hit an intermediate term low, another draw on liquidity. So quick check for any equal highs. I see quick check for equal lows right here. Equal lows just beneath this 15-minute intermediate term low here. And then we have those higher time frame imbalances beneath this. So we'll play how market opens here. So we're gonna manipulate lower. Oh, let me also see what these sessions did. I'm already just bullish in general, but this is a bearish daily profile, right? Nothing sponsored. London moves higher, so I do want to see London lows. It is a London manipulation, New York reversal, lows, and we do have these hourly imbalances here. So we just swept the 15-minute intermediate term low and equal lows. If I want to be bearish, I do want to see more of. I want to see us keep dumping. Obviously not straight to the draw, but I don't want to see us react super bullish here. 15 minutes. 15 minute. So we swept that 15 minutes intermediate low and this equal lows. I think if I want to be bearish, an easy condition we can set is this 15-minute breaking. So keep playing it. Okay, still no inversion here. Yep, so we're gonna get this unfilled 1-hour here. Sadly, obviously no inversion model to do not a single for value gap, right? That we can get inverse to use a continuation model to like the unfilled 1-hour, these London lows here. Unless we can, it doesn't hit it on the next one. It does. So keep playing here. Hopefully we get some sort of setup before we tag London lows. Okay, we're gonna open up we have the unfilled 5 beneath us. Again, what I said about this condition of this 15-minute breaking, it's gonna break in 1 minute. So we're gonna not make an unfilled 5. We have to wait another 5 minutes for an unfilled 5 to be formed. We have one here. Okay, let's keep playing it. 5, 4, 3. No, I definitely want to see like an unfilled 5 made. Definitely don't want to see this 1 minute get inverting. Nice. We're gonna put in this unfilled 5, right? Oh, perfect. Okay. So I had the delivery from this unfilled 5. We definitely just need. That's all I was really looking for, was for like a 5 or 15-minute to form, so then we could take it to the to London lows here. A continuation model to London lows. So 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So it's just going to be this 1 minute for value gap. If we can get a good close on it, I will take it as a continuation model lower here. So I'm going to take this 1 minute. I'm going to short to the London lows. I will then break even at the internal low at sell side. But this looks like an extremely very obvious Like if we reject here, then this will obviously be an internal low. So I'm gonna put break even here. Partial. Remember, I'm only looking for 1-to-1 to move stops outside. Looks just like it's just basically at that 1-to-1 here. So it's not liquidity. I'm just gonna mark it out again. I'm holding for like full like trades, for the full entire trade. Just want to see where a 1-to-1 is. Just the way I trade funded accounts. So 1 minute short. This is a continuation model delivering from this 5-minute bearish daily profile. Let's do it here. So I can put this stops at the swing high, and I will have to update the 1-to-1 here. That'll be higher. I want to see exactly where it is. Final target's London though, so take a little longer to set up here. 1-to-1 there. Yeah, we can play here. Let's check the 10 more minutes for this 15-minute, and we have that intermediate term high. Place the order here. 1 minute short here. Break even at this internal low. So let me make sure I have that marked out. My biggest concern is this 5-minute intermediate term high for us. Like I don't want it to be used to us to get manipulated. The turtle soup lower to the obvious draw. So yeah, until 5 there, break even there. Let's play it. So we have right now break even. We are just beneath that 1-to-1 there, and I didn't get a chance to move it and guarantee the money. All right, we'll just keep going here, and that was being the draw. So we'll move it to 1-to-1 guaranteeing because like I want to trade it like how I would have funded here. So there's the 1-to-1, and it works out perfectly for us because then we go break even. So there's definitely an SMT here, but I think an obvious draw was these London lows. There's without a doubt an SMT here. Maybe with these lows, let's like push it out here. Let's see it. This low, there's an SMT. Yeah, so after sweeping this low, there's an SMT. No, where's the thing here? I just want to see why we didn't hit London lows. Did ES sweep these lows? I'm curious. Nah, okay, ES did sweep these lows. Okay, so there's an SMT at these lows. So therefore, that's why we're seeing this push up without actually having to sweep London lows. But London lows, super obvious draw. Regardless, winning trade because we got to that 1-to-1 there. But super obvious draw, continuation model to London lows. 2 back-to-back correct daily profile days. So we'll head to the next one here. So 2-0 so far. And I think I'll just do one more day here. So we got 8:30 news. So 1 minute. See if 8:30 did anything. 8:30 did not do anything. So no data highs, no data lows. Hop into the previous day's high. Mark out previous day's low. I need to send a very quick message. Okay. Yeah. Price is low, price is high. 4 hour. We'll hop onto the 4 hour. To the 1 hour. Okay, so we're trading inside this 1 hour bearish for value gap. Looks like it's gonna get inverted, and we have an unfold the 1 hour. I think this looks super obvious. This unfold the 1 hour. Hop into the 15-minute here. Actually, let's quick check what the sessions did. Did anything sponsor this move up? 12 o'clock, right? Okay, so I do want to see a continuation model lower to previous day's low. Actually, no, this is 11, 12. Okay, yes. So London, manipulated it into a higher time frame period. This 1 hour bullish fair value gap sponsoring the move higher. So I want to see continuation, linear reversal, linear continuation. So I do want to be bullish. I don't want to see previous days low. Hopefully low of day is the lowest we do get. But I do not want to see previous days low, right? We have low of day here. Again, this unfilled 1 hour I said before, it looks like the most obvious. Let's check the 15-minute, right? Unfilled 15 as well. Right above, another unfilled 15 here. On 5 minutes, 1 minute. Now we can see if there's any equal highs we can target right off the bat. A little bit of lower resistance liquidity here. Equal highs above this unfilled 15. Equal highs here. More equal highs. Let's see. Equal highs here. I can clone this. Highs here, and then buy side liquidity just above here. So good buy side targets. Let's see if I want to take a long, right? I want to be a discount. So hopefully market open, we can manipulate lower. Then I can target this unfilled 1 hour. There is this a one tick unfilled 15? Okay, perfect. This is a unfilled 15. 2 ticks, but still an unfilled 15. Manipulate lower into it, and then use it as support for price up. Take a long there. So market opens, gonna fill the unfilled 15 and the 1 hour. We'll continue to play this out here. Maybe unfilled 15 above. It's 1 minute. It's still no inversions. Nothing to take. Nothing to take. Ooh. Okay. So again, I want to see that 15-minute. Wanted to see us use it as support for price to go higher. Does just that, but no inversion models in here. Unfilled 15 again. We still have these 2 sets of equal highs, but again, we're still really high. And if all these get run in the next candle, I don't even know if I still want to. I don't even know if I want to trade. We still have previous days high though, so as long as previous days high doesn't get taken out, we can still find something. Take a continuation higher here. So again, no inversion model, right? Having a fair value up here, taking that all day. Back to the 15, 2 sets of equal highs. So we still previous days high. If that gets taken, I'll just end it. End the day. The draw was already taken. After the draw liquidity is taken, we really just have time to accumulate here. So we have this unfilled. Let me mark all these out. So we have this unfilled 15. Super low, but unfilled 15. Trying to see what we can manipulate into. So 1 more minute for this unfilled 5 minute. This unfilled 5. And also, as long as we can at least hit this unfilled 5, I don't mind anything else really. I would just need a delivery to take a continuation model, just like we did on the other one here. So this is an unfilled 5. Is there an SMT here at like the internal low? Here. Yeah, so there's an SMT at this internal low. Just definitely I want to take it without a delivery. So I'm not going to. This is not inside. It didn't even make a 5 minute. We're gonna make a 15-minute here. So there's an SMT at these lows. That's the only reason you could look at it. I would definitely have wanted to see the actual delivery here, but this is a 1 minute inversion. I'm going to skip out on. Hopefully NQ still wants this unfilled 5, maybe even a little bit more deeper. But this is a 1 minute inversion to previous day's high here, the draw. There is an SMT at this internal low. So it looks like this. As it take the internal low. Yes, did take it first and is reacting really well. So I wanted to. What does it look like here? Super bullish. We have that SMT, and then when ES right sweeps that low, they're correlated assets, right? ES gets straight to moving. That's the only thing. And then I wouldn't need this unfilled 5 because ES swept this low, which we needed to be swept to fill this unfilled 5. So I'm gonna take this. I think the draw is super obvious. Previous day's high. It's in line with the buys here. SMT at the lows, which ES is reacting super bullish after sweeping the lows, which is a good sign. I'm gonna break even literally right at the internal high here, then hold to previous day's high here. 74, 75, maybe 150, 150, 77, 50 is our break even. And this is a 1 to 1.7, but again, I'll mark out our 1 to 1 here. It's just a little bit above it, that's fine. So we'll play it out here. Okay, so stop is at break even. Again, if we can get one more good candle like this, just 1 to 1, I'll move stop regardless. Okay, so I'm gonna move stop, even though, right? Because again, like I said, it doesn't flow, like it doesn't go second by second by second. It goes full candles when you click next. So already a 1 to 1, which I already like on the funded account. I move stop there, guaranteeing $500 here. Again, final target being previous high. So I'm gonna lock in this win here. And again, hold to previous day's high and full TP. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. I'm only gonna do 3 days, 3 correct daily profiles. I think 3-0, 3-0 there. Yeah, the reason I was able to take that long is because we have an SMT at that internal low. So therefore, I didn't need to see the unfilled 5 get hit. So the SMT, ES already took that low and it reacted super bullish to it. That's what you want to see. And I think the draw was super obvious, in line with the buys here. 1 minute inversion, great momentum, clear target, previous day's high. And again, I'm doing this 1 to 1 thing just because the way I trade funded accounts, I always want to guarantee, right? Always to take profits, always to take a piece of the pie. So 1 to 1, which hit over here, right? Obviously, I just put the stop rate, just guaranteed the win. But I would have moved it right at a 1 to 1, guaranteeing $500 there. And then obviously, when I'm doing back testing, right, I'm trading into the entire draw. But super obvious days. I think a lot of stars dropped in these 3 days, and the use of daily profiles and how easy it is when you learn it for you to get a draw here. And then the Ifvg plus SMT is the one I'm trading, which has 232 days. So again, just almost 8 months with a 79% win rate, 83 wins, 42 break evens, 32 losses here. But hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of stars dropped. Hope you guys liked it.